You guys, I'm on the kayak and I'm so scared.
California, then we fell into the shiny sea. The weight that drags your heart down, well, that's what took me where I need to be, which is here out on Zuma.
Good morning, guys. We're on our way to go kayaking. I don't know why we're up at 5 in the morning. Yeah, I'm nervous. I've never done it before. I don't know what to expect. We're going with some friends. Stay tuned. So we stopped at 7-Eleven. We're getting some waters and charcoal and I don't know what else, but I know I'm getting water because I'm so thirsty. It is about to be 5 in the morning. I'm not sure why we're up this early, but I'm excited. I don't know what to expect. I looked it up last night and I was freaked out because I was like, I'm not freaking kayaking. That's just one boat and I'm so or one little thing and you just sit in there. Yeah, it should be fun, and I guess we're gonna be fishing too and barbecuing and things like that, so it should be a good day. It should be a really fun day. I just don't know what to expect. That's why, you know, me and Dave were just talking about it, like, I don't know what to expect, so it should be fun. I'm in my kind of like workout clothes in a way, but I'm super excited, guys.
Let's do it, 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 let's do it.
Baby,
What's up, babe?
hi.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
You having fun?
Yes.
Fun, huh? Look, you guys, we came to hang out. It's beautiful out here. Came out with our friends and stuff, family. Super fun! I have never cooked outside. We have the tent going on, just to hang out. Daddy, where are we going?
We're going to the pier, kind of.
To the
take off.
To the pier, kind of. We're gonna go
Kayak.
get on the boat and kayak, you guys. Look at this, beauties. Our boat, guys. Big Daddy's gonna drive it home. Oh, guys, I twisted my ankle and it hurts so bad. But whatever, I'm just gonna deal with it. It hurts so bad. What?
Your luck is just horrible.
No, it's not horrible. She can hold this thing. I'm gonna put a life jacket on. Because I'm scared out of my mind right now. A little bit. Just getting the boat ready. Dude, we don't need to like warm it up or anything. You know I don't play. You know, I have this life jacket.
You should get American flags and put it somewhere else.
Get an American flag. Woo! Look at Daddy go! That's our little family over there. Look how beautiful this is, huh? I kept telling David, I was like, don't go so fast, don't go so fast. I was just freaking out. He's not even wearing a life jacket, I am. I'm sorry guys, by the way, this is Amber and Matthew. These are our friends, Sylvia and Miguel's kids. They're just here hanging out with us. Here they come. Hi guys. Hey, Laura. Yali! Look at her, look at her. Thank you with her dog. Oh my gosh. Look at her. Oh my god, it's so cute. I have never seen that. And it all still. Babe, I don't think this is a good idea. At all.
No, that thing turned out way.
Now we're going on these. Yeah. You guys, I'm on the kayak. And I'm so scared. Hi, baby. Oh my gosh, you guys. That's pretty fun, huh, baby? I'm just, me too. I'm just so scared.
Come here with me.
I know. I'm afraid of it.
Here, it's yours.
Sorry, guys. You can tell I'm freaking out. I'm just afraid that the little boats are gonna flip over from the current and stuff. But we're just chilling. We got together. and then we're gonna head back soon because I'm like afraid.
Or not.
I forced David on here. Sorry guys, this thing is like choking me and it's really taking out my double chin, but yeah, I forced David to get on here a little bit, and then I'm the one that wants to go back.
I'm actually really enjoying this.
You're enjoying it?
Yeah,
Me too.
it's fun.
This is fun. This is so fun, guys.
View.
This is the best. This is the best Sunday. This is one of the best Sundays we've had. Huh, babe? Together?
Yep.
We've had a good weekend. Friday we went to the movies, drive-in. We went to go see Furious 7, which was really good. And then what did we do yesterday? Yesterday we just hung out. Huh? Yeah, just went to visit his brother, have a drink, and then now we're doing this. But I want to show you guys a view. Well, I'm pretty sure you guys already seen it, but on our view, that's okay. On our view, I'm not gonna vlog as far as me in the water anymore. Okay, I'll see you guys on land. Bye. We made it, guys. That was intense. I was so scared. I thought they were gonna. I was gonna flip over and everything. There was a bunch of times where I thought it was gonna flip over. Our friends met us with the boat, and then when they took off, the current, the waves. Oh my gosh, it was so scary. But yeah, so we're on foot now. Thank God. We're just hanging out now. Now. Hanging out now. We're on the table. Starting the barbecue up. We're gonna do some cheeseburgers and hot dogs, and I'm not sure what else. Yeah. So we're just enjoying, we're just relaxing. Honestly, I feel so like I'm tired already. I'm good for the day. But it's okay. You don't get this view that often anyway.
Cheese, babe.
Cheese. How do you like cooking so far, babe?
Alright, this
Kind
is
of
pretty fast.
Kind of first time, huh? First time, kind of? Well, actually, yeah. Outside and everything. Hey. Hi, honey. Hello, sweetheart. Hi. Hi there. Before we go home, we're shooting. You gonna shoot the gun, babe? Which one? The Glock?
All of them?
All of them? Kill. Look at how gorgeous that looks.
Babe, you need to buy one of those.
Yeah?
Okay. Aim.
There?
Yeah, whenever you're ready. Lower. Higher. To the left. To the right. One more.
Oh, his wife. Oh, Amber.
There. Those in
Oh,
right.
Amber.
She said she doesn't hear right. Your finger out of the trigger here. Here.
Go, girl.
Babe.
Whoa. Big Daddy got a shotgun? Got a shotty? Babe. Okay. Careful. It's good?
Yeah.
That's bad?
Fuck yeah.
You want one, huh?
Yeah. Shit. Skinny, babe. Tuck it back.
Oh my god, I'm shaking. I was so nervous. I was so nervous. Wasn't I? Did you see me shaking? I was like shaking. Did I look funny?
No.
Going home, huh, babe? So long. Say goodbye.
Bye.
So long. we're leaving, guys. It was a good day with friends and family. But I hope you guys like my video. I'll see you guys this week. Stay tuned for my next video, okay? See you guys.